Our modern world runs on batteries. From the moment we wake up and check our phones to the time we plug in our laptops for work, batteries are at the heart of our daily routines. They power our phones, laptops, and even our cars. Electric vehicles are becoming more common and they rely heavily on battery technology. Batteries are essential to our daily lives. They are in our remote controls, our power tools, and even in the medical devices that keep us healthy. We rely on them more and more each day. As technology advances, our dependence on batteries continues to grow. But what happens to these batteries when they die? Many of us don't give it a second thought. Many of us simply throw them away. This common practice has serious consequences. We don't think about where they end up. This is a mistake. Batteries don't simply disappear. They leak harmful chemicals into the soil and water. They end up in landfills where they can harm the environment. Batteries contain valuable materials like lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These materials can be recovered and reused. Recycling these components reduces the need for new mining operations. This is where battery recycling comes in. It is a crucial process that helps mitigate environmental damage. It is a process of turning old batteries into new ones. This not only conserves resources but also reduces waste. Recycling helps us conserve resources and protect our planet. It is an eco-friendly solution to a growing problem. It's time we all learn about battery recycling. Awareness and education are key to making a difference. It is a crucial step towards a sustainable future. By recycling, we can ensure a cleaner, greener planet for future generations. Let's explore why it matters and how we can all contribute. Together, we can make a significant impact. Batteries provide us with portable power. This power comes at a cost. Batteries contain heavy metals and other toxic substances. These can leach into the soil and water if batteries are not disposed of properly. This can contaminate our environment and harm wildlife. Mining for the raw materials used in batteries is also damaging. It can lead to deforestation and habitat loss. The process of manufacturing batteries consumes a lot of energy and produces greenhouse gases. These contribute to climate change. Recycling batteries helps us minimize these negative impacts. It reduces the need to mine new materials. It also prevents harmful substances from ending up in our landfills. Battery recycling is an important step in protecting our planet. Battery recycling is more than just environmental protection. It is also about resource conservation. Batteries contain valuable metals such as lithium, cobalt, and nickel. These are finite resources. We must use them wisely. Recycling these metals reduces our reliance on mining. It also helps us conserve these precious resources for future generations. Imagine a future where we can power our world without the need to extract more resources from the earth. Battery recycling is a crucial step towards a circular economy. This means reusing and repurposing materials instead of throwing them away. It's about creating a more sustainable future for everyone. Not all batteries are created equal. They come in different shapes, sizes, and chemical compositions. Each type of battery requires a specific recycling process. The most common types of batteries are lead-acid batteries found in cars and other vehicles, lithium-ion batteries used in smartphones, laptops, and electric cars, nickel-cadmium batteries found in power tools and other cordless devices, and alkaline batteries commonly used in household items like remote controls and flashlights. Each type of battery has its own recycling challenges and opportunities. Understanding these differences is crucial for developing effective recycling programs. Section 5. The battery recycling process from trash to treasure. The battery recycling process involves several steps. First, used batteries are collected from various sources, including households, businesses, and recycling centers. Next, batteries are sorted by type and chemistry to ensure they are processed correctly. Then batteries are safely discharged to prevent short circuits and fires. After that, batteries are taken apart to separate the different components, such as metals, plastics, and electrolytes. Finally, valuable metals are extracted and purified for reuse in new batteries or other products. The specific processes used may vary depending on the type of battery and the recycling facility. Section 6. Lead-acid batteries, a recycling success story. Lead-acid batteries have a high recycling rate. This is due to their simple design and the value of lead. The recycling process for lead-acid batteries is well established and highly effective. Almost all the lead in a used battery can be recovered and used to make new batteries. This reduces the demand for mining new lead. It also prevents lead from ending up in landfills. The success of lead-acid battery recycling shows that it is possible to create a closed-loop system for battery materials. We can strive to achieve the same level of success with other battery types. Section 7. Lithium-ion batteries, challenges and opportunities. Lithium-ion batteries are becoming increasingly common. They power many of our portable devices and electric vehicles. Recycling these batteries is more complex than recycling lead-acid batteries. Lithium-ion batteries contain a wider range of materials. Some of these materials are flammable and require careful handling. However, the value of the materials in lithium-ion batteries is high. This makes recycling economically viable. New technologies are being developed to improve the efficiency and safety of lithium-ion battery recycling. This is an area of ongoing research and development. Section 8. Innovations in battery recycling, a glimpse into the future. The field of battery recycling is constantly evolving, driven by the urgent need to address environmental concerns and resource scarcity. New technologies are emerging to make the process more efficient and sustainable. These innovations include advanced methods and cutting-edge techniques that are transforming the industry. One such technique is hydrometallurgy, which uses water-based solutions to extract valuable metals from used batteries. This method offers a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional smelting methods, which are often energy-intensive and polluting. Another innovative approach is direct battery recycling. This process allows for the recovery of entire battery components, such as electrodes, without breaking them down completely. By preserving the integrity of these components, direct recycling can significantly reduce energy consumption and emissions, making the process more sustainable. Additionally, artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are being used to optimize sorting and dismantling processes, improving efficiency and reducing costs. These technologies can identify and separate different types of batteries and materials with high precision. These innovations hold the potential to revolutionize battery recycling, making it more effective and less harmful to the environment. They can make the recycling process not only more environmentally friendly, but also economically viable, ensuring that valuable resources are recovered and reused efficiently. Section 9. Our shared responsibility. Consumers and manufacturers united. Battery recycling is not just the responsibility of recycling facilities, it is a shared responsibility of consumers and manufacturers. Can contribute by properly disposing of used batteries at designated collection points, choosing products with longer battery life to reduce the number of batteries we use, supporting companies with strong environmental practices, including battery recycling initiatives, can contribute by designing batteries that are easier to recycle, using recycled materials in new batteries, supporting battery collection and recycling programs. By working together, we can create a more sustainable battery life cycle. Section 10. The future of battery recycling, challenges and opportunities. The future of battery recycling is full of both challenges and opportunities, presenting a complex landscape that requires innovative solutions. The increasing diversity and complexity of battery chemistries require constant adaptation of recycling processes. This means that recycling facilities must stay ahead of technological advancements to efficiently process new types of batteries. The global demand for batteries is growing rapidly, putting significant pressure on existing recycling infrastructure. As more devices rely on batteries, the volume of batteries needing recycling increases exponentially. The economics of battery recycling can be challenging, especially for newer battery types. The cost of recycling can sometimes outweigh the value of the materials recovered, making it a less attractive business proposition. However, technological advancements can lead to more efficient and sustainable recycling processes. Innovations in machinery and methods can reduce costs and improve the recovery rates of valuable materials. Government regulations and incentives can promote battery recycling and create a level playing field. Policies that support recycling initiatives can drive industry standards and encourage investment in recycling technologies. Consumer awareness and demand for recycled materials can drive market forces for sustainable practices. When consumers prioritize recycling, it creates a ripple effect that influences manufacturers and policymakers. By addressing the challenges and seizing the opportunities, we can ensure a bright future for battery recycling. With concerted efforts from all stakeholders, the industry can evolve to meet the demands of a sustainable future. Section 11. A call to action, powering a sustainable future. The future of our planet depends on our ability to transition to a more sustainable way of life. Battery recycling is an essential part of this transition. It allows us to reduce our reliance on finite resources. It also minimizes the environmental impact of our energy consumption. We all have a role to play in making battery recycling a success. As consumers, we can make responsible choices about the products we buy and how we dispose of them. As manufacturers, we can design products with recycling in mind and support a circular economy. Let us all commit to powering a sustainable future, one battery at a time. Our planet depends on it.